Hablando con Alex.
Hey, the verb today is estar. Estoy for now, estuve just before, estaba long ago. I am your estoy, now I was your estuve just before, I was your estaba long ago. Estoy, estuve, estaba, let's learn together. Estoy, estuve, estaba, estoy, estuve, estaba. I am your estoy, now I was your estuve just before, I was your estaba long ago. Estoy, estuve, estaba, let's learn together. Estoy, estuve, estaba, estoy, estuve, estaba. Estoy en la casa, estuve con Alex just before, estaba en Colombia long ago. Practice every day and you'll see how easy Spanish will be. Estoy, estuve, estaba, let's learn together. Estoy, estuve, estaba, estoy, estuve, estaba. I am your estoy, now I was your estuve just before, I was your estaba long ago.
Hablando con Alex.
Long ago, estoy.
Let's do a quick recap. Remember,
Estoy,
means I am and is used for situations happening in the present.
estuve,
Means I was for recent past events. And
estaba,
also means I was, but it refers to past situations that lasted longer or happened further in the past.
Hablando con Alex.